For the last 3 years I have been unboxing the MAC Advent Calendar on my channel, so I was very excited to get the new one as well. The price of it is 200 euros if you live in Europe and $195 in the US. In this one we have 24 products and the box is super luxurious. Let's unbox it. I think it is safer on the table. Oh no, we have a product in the box. What was the door? This is how the advent calendar looks. It is like a spinning carousel. I also need to remove this box. It's so pretty. So we don't have boxes that you can take out. You are just opening the door. Okay, door number 1. Maybe a lipstick, a full-size lipstick. Ooh, I was very close. This is a Powder Kiss liquid lip color in the shade Moonlight Over, and we have a liquid lipstick. We have an Hourglass Doe Foot applicator, and this beautiful matte peachy shade. I love this color. We have that delicious sweet vanilla scent in this lip product. This one is very creamy. It feels like a lipstick, not a liquid lipstick. Moving on to day number 2, it is a little bit smaller. I'm going to say an eyeshadow. Not even close. We have here one of the cult favorites by MAC Cosmetics. It is the lip gloss. This is a clear lip gloss. It has a thicker consistency. That's why it is super shiny. This is the mini size of the product. Let's go to door number 3. It is a lot bigger. That doesn't mean anything. Maybe we have a strobe cream. Wrong again. This is the MAC Prep and Prime for the lips, and this is basically a lip balm. It can hydrate the lips before you apply your lipstick. I like that we have it in a tube formula because it is so easy to apply rather than in a pot. And this one is transparent. You don't really see color on the lips. And we have a full size. Up next, here, door number 4. I'm going to say a strobe cream again, because it is a bigger door. I don't think it is. Oh, what is this? This is the Liquid Last 24-Hour Waterproof Liner in the shade Point Black. I have never tried this product. I'm not sure if it is a full size or a mini size. We have a thin brush tip applicator. I really like this for my eyeliners. And I'm going to apply some to see the finish. I hope it is matte. I have also tried the Black Track, which is a gel eyeliner in a pot. That one is not super black. I'm hoping this one is. I wanted to quickly mention the launch of my new merch. We have 3 new designs, and this one here is the Meowie Cat Mask with these adorable cats all over the cup. The other design is Hot Chocolate Weather, and the third one is Too Cold with a little cat. That cat is me because I don't like cold weather. I hope that you like the new designs. On the website you can find more products with them. And let's see what happened with the finish of the eyeliner. As you can see, it is completely matte and the color is a lot darker than the Black Track. That's music to my ears. Door number 5 is smaller, a mini lipstick. Oh, okay, we know what product it is. This one is the MAC Stack in the shade Black Stack Mascara. Okay, in black. And this is actually one of the new releases of this year. I'm super happy that we have a new product. I have never tried it before. Let's see. Oh, the applicator. It's conical. We have plastic bristles. This is a mini as well. Let's go to day number 6 now. Mini lipstick. Ta-da! I am mostly right. This is a full-size lipstick. We have here the matte lipstick in the shade Chili, and I brought here another chili lipstick. This one is the mini. And what we have in the advent calendar is the full size. I'm going to swatch the mini because what's the point to ruining that one? Most likely I'm gonna give it to my mother or my mother-in-law or my sister as a gift. This is the shade. We have a beautiful soft matte finish and this brown reddish color. I really like this formula. I have also done swatches for all of my matte lipsticks. I'm gonna have a link in the description box below. Let's find now door number 7. I'm going to say the strobe cream because we have it every year every year. It is definitely not. So we have here an eyeshadow. This is the Powder Kiss Soft Matte Eyeshadow in the shade What Cloud. I like that we have a soft matte packaging, and it looks like a beautiful light brown shade that you can use as a crease color. It is super soft. I really like the shade, and the eyeshadow is a full size. Day number 8. Okay, it's here. I'm going to say a lip gloss, but with color, not the clear. I think it is the strobe cream. Found it, I guess. It doesn't count. And this one is the strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. This is a beautiful liquid highlighter that you can use as a base. Oops, I applied too much product for a swatch. I'm so sad. Why did I apply so much product? I'm taking some off. It is a very light shade. This one can look great for editorial makeup looks, and we have a mini. You don't need a lot of product. This is very spreadable, so even though it's not the full size, we still have a lot of quantity here. And up next, the door number 9. Woo! This is a longer, I'm going to say a blush. Oops, oh my god. It is a long blush. This one is the Brow Set in clear. It is a transparent brow gel. I have used it a lot of times. I like that it makes the brows soft, not crunchy. Day number 10 is right here. I'm going to say a lip gloss. Nope. And we have here the essential oils with grapefruit and chamomile. You can use this to moisturize the skin before your makeup application. Moving on to day 11. Here, I'm going to say an eyeshadow. Wrong again. This is the matte lipstick in Velvet Teddy. It is one of the best sellers by MAC. We always get it in MAC advent calendars. I have it in a full size, and I'm going to swatch this one. This is a beautiful shade that can look amazing on any skin tone. It is super wearable. You can also see this shade in the video that I have mentioned before. So day 12 is this one. Lip gloss. It doesn't look like a lip gloss. This is the Frost eyeshadow in the shade Naked Lunch. This is not a very shiny formula. It is a light pinky shade. Following that, day number 13. I'm going to say highlighter. I think we never got a highlighter in the MAC advent calendars. Maybe a liquid highlighter. What is this? This is the Glow Play Lip Balm in the shade 452. That tickles. I have never tried this product. I'm guessing that we're gonna have a sheer formula. Yeah, it looks very glossy. It reminds me the consistency of the loose lipsticks by MAC. And we have this super beautiful caramel color. Let's go to day 14. Eyeshadow. A liquid eyeshadow. Oh my god, it's a lip gloss. This one is the lip gloss in the shade Spite. We have a mini, and I have swatched all of my MAC lip glosses in another video, so I'm going to have that in the description box as well if you want to see how this looks on the lips. This one is super glossy and lightweight on the lips. Let's go now to day number 15. I'm going to say a highlighter again, a stick highlighter. So this one is the Fix Plus Skin Refresher Finishing Mist. It is a setting spray. I have tried it a lot of times, and I have here mine. So this is the mini. This one is 13 milliliters. You can definitely use it a lot of times. This one here has 30 milliliters, and I'm still halfway through. I like using this one to make all of my products melted together. I prefer powder products, and sometimes they look patchy, so I'm using this on top. After that, day 16. What can it be? Oh, a lip liner. A short lip liner. This is the matte lipstick in the shade Russian Red. It is also one of the best sellers by MAC, and I have it in a mini. Let's swatch this one. It is a super gorgeous festive lip color. You can also wear it all year long, not just for the holidays, but I think it is perfect for a Christmas makeup look, New Year's Eve makeup look. Day 17 is here. I'm going to say again a highlighter. And we have here the matte eyeshadow in espresso. Ooh, let's swatch it and see the color. It looks very nice in the swatches, and I want to do a video with all of my MAC eyeshadows. I have a lot of single eyeshadows. Up next, day 18. It's here. I'm going to say a lip liner. A liquid lipstick? Maybe. This one is the Love Me Liquid Lip Color in the shade E for Effortless. It is a full size. I don't know if this is a new product. Let me know in the comments. And I'm going to swatch it here. Ooh, it is gorgeous. For now we have a glossy finish. I'm not sure if it is gonna dry and it's gonna be matte in the end. I'm going to update you in a few doors. I really like the ombre packaging. It is divine, super elegant. Here we have day 19. Whoops, I saw what it is. This is the Technical Liner Eyeliner Kajal in the shade Graph Black. Nice! We never got an eye pencil before, and it is a twistable product. This is not the blackest eye pencil that I have tried. It is very creamy in the beginning. You can blend it easily. Now, as you can see, it started getting stiffer. Maybe it is waterproof. So far, I like the variety of the eye products. It seems like we have everything for a nice smoky brown black eye look. 20. Where are you? Okay, it's here. I'm going to say again a highlighter. This is the matte lipstick in the shade Mer. I have tried this again and I brought the full size that I have. This is a beautiful dusty rose lipstick. This is also a very iconic lip shade by MAC. And moving on to day 21 now. Maybe a bronzer. We never get bronzers. One time we got a blush. Maybe this is an eyeshadow. Ta-da! This one is the Dazzle Shadow in the shade Oh So Guilty. And it looks glorious. It has a very nice reflective finish and also some very fine micro glitter. I really like this shade, and I have swatched again the lip color because by accident I took it off before. And I'm gonna update you in a few more doors. And this is day 22. I'm going to say a blush. A stick blush. Nope. And we have here the lip gloss in the shade Nymphette. Let's swatch it. It is a beautiful peachy golden shade and it is super glossy. And day 23, I'm going to say a bronzer. No, I don't think it is. And we have here the Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the shade Born to Beam. And I'm guessing this is a super beaming color. Wow. Maybe that's a lot for a swatch. Yep. It has a very spreadable formula. We have here an intense golden shade with a lot of micro glitter. I think the formula is sheer. I can see a little bit of my skin in the swatches. Yeah, so I'm curious to try it on the eyelid because it is a smaller area. About the lip color, we can see it is still glossy. So this is the finish. Let's continue with day 24. Blush. A cream blush. Nope, this is the Lustre Glass lipstick in the shade Sea Sheer. I think they have changed the packaging for the Lustre lipsticks because I have more and they are not so glossy. I found mine and this is what we got in the advent calendar. And also the name has changed. It was Lustre Lipsticks, so I'm guessing it is the same product. And I'm going to swatch this one. The Lustre lipsticks have a sheer formula. It is a super pretty wearable shade if you want to try colorful lipsticks, but you don't want them to be very intense, this is the formula for you. We have 17 full-size products and the average price for MAC products is $22. So the overall value of the advent calendar is insane. We have products for a full face makeup look, except of course the complexion products, which is very tricky to have in advent calendars. The variety is one of the best that we have seen with MAC advent calendars, and I'm gonna give it 5 stars. I have also unboxed the Cult Beauty advent calendar that you can find here.